Meet Bestever AI, your secret weapon for creating successful ad campaigns. Look up your competitors to see what ads they are running. Bestever breaks down your competitors' campaign structure, identifies the audiences they target, and their winning messaging angles so you can outsmart the competition. Bestever's data analyst works as your media buyer, giving you clear, actionable insights into your own strategy. It provides recommendations on where to spend your ad dollars and how to optimize your campaigns based on your goals. Meanwhile, the creative analyst is your AI design assistant. Think of it as ChatGPT for your ads. You can ask questions in plain language to get data-backed suggestions on what's working in your visuals and what needs a tweak. Generate shareable reports and use those findings to create better ads. Bestever uses the latest AI models to generate new ad creatives for your brand. Select your target audience and a reference asset that will inspire the new designs. Then pick the brand assets you want to use. Control the aspect ratio of the output and click Go. In a few seconds, you'll get a variety of new designs ready to remix and export. You can even turn winning formulas into video ads. Control the specs of your future video, such as duration and aspect ratio. Generate a variety of concepts to choose from. Then fine-tune your storyboard scene by scene, edit prompts, and regenerate each scene until it looks perfect. Bestever will then put together the scenes into your final polished video, ready to preview and export. It's that simple.